Hello everyone, this is Krolo again, and today with another video. I know there are a lot of people that have a Tycoon map, especially those single player Tycoon maps or any other type mode of maps. They want to add pets or characters that can follow the players, and the player should interact with something so he can choose between this character or the other character. And maybe each character is attached by a button that can grant you something or that can follows you. So today I'm gonna show it to you and make it very easy for you. All what you need is a one verse code and this 5 minute or 10 minute less than 10 minutes, and I will show you how to set up all of them, like whatever the maximum of character you want. But make sure that this tutorial works only for the single player maps. Unfortunately, at the moment I don't have anything for a multiplayer map. So we need a verse code that can be founded in our Discord server. I didn't put it yet, but I'm gonna put it after I'm gonna publish this video. This is the verse code. Let me open it. It is for free for everyone. By the way, in case you need anything from us, I have a lot of free verse codes. I'm gonna add a lot this week, and we also have cheap verse codes, Infinity Zoneworks for only $5, stretch resolution, the ranked system, zombies, the Tycoon codes, the advanced ranked system. They are all very cheap compared to the original prices. In case you want to buy anything from us, we can sell it to you with a cheaper price, and we can also help you set up it without any issues. Now let's not talk that much, and let's open the verse code. This is how it looks like. It is not that much complicated. Once you have built it, it will look like that, and I will show you those options how you can make them. So the first thing you need to do is to change your character to a blueprint. So it will be a skeleton mesh or it will be a static mesh, depends, but you gotta make it a blueprint. If you don't know how to do that, let's test with this dog we have. For example, we just need to right click, blueprint class, and build in prop, double click, and since it is a skeleton mesh, I'm gonna look for skeleton mesh and then click on this one. Let me look for the skeleton. I'm gonna add it and add an animation, and yeah, that's it. Compile, save, and grab it to the map. The next thing you have to do is to make another blueprint, but make it building static mesh. Okay, name it a sphere, since I have already a one. The next thing you need to do is to select modeling, sphere, and add it, accept, and now you can go back to selection and delete that one. You don't need it at the moment. So open your sphere blueprint, click on static mesh, go to the meshes. You will find this one on your meshes folder. It's gonna be a new folder to you. Then you add it here, compile, save, and that's it. The next thing you need to do is to build a material. You have to come to material, name it transparent with an extra a since I already have it, and then you just need to right click, constant 3 vector, link it with the base color, and 1 1 1. Then you need to click here, opaque, oh my god, my English is so bad. Right click, constant 2 vector, and then link this one. No, it is actually not this one, my bad. Constant the first one, and then link it with the opacity. Now it is hidden. We need that actually so that we can add it to the sphere blueprint we made before. We just to come here to the blueprint again, to the element, and add the material we had. Okay, compile, save, and that's it. Now what you have to do, let me hide this prop manipulator because we don't need it at the moment, is we need to grab this new sphere right here. You can see you have to make sure that it is linked with this character, and then make sure you name it. So for us it's named this sphere with the M3 extra E. Then you need to copy paste it and make sure that sphere 2 is attached to the first one, and then click on your blueprint and make sure that you attach it with the sphere 2, not the first one, this one. As long as you finish, you need now a prop manipulator. You just grab it, make sure you copy paste those settings, start hidden. Yes. And affect all object in a zone is yes. And those we can do it later on. Now let's work with the verse code. Once we come here, we just need to select our second sphere, and then select our first sphere. And then, by the way, we didn't do something, which is a prop manipulator. It should also be attached with the sphere sun, which is sphere 2. Now we finished. We need now like something where the player can activate the character so it can be visible and it can follows him. So I have added this switch device. It is already linked with this one, but I'm gonna copy paste it and make sure that the prop manipulator, it will turn wait, I gotta do something. I will make sure that this prop manipulator should show on switch to on turned on, and should hide on switch to on turned off. But also we should come to, since we have two different switches, this one should turn off on this one turned on, and this one should turn off on this one. Oh my god, on this one is turned on. So if this one is on, the other one should be off, so you don't have two different characters following you at the same time. I hope you guys get it. And yeah, I think that's it. Now we have this one, and then we have this character. Let's start the game and see how they will keep following me. Now you can see that all the characters are hidden, but if I have selected this one, this guy will keep following me. And if he can make an animation, that will be better. Let me turn off him and let me turn on this dog. Oh my god. Okay, I know what is the problem. I gotta set up him actually very well. So it is not that much perfect, but I will try to make it as good as it can be. Well, I hope that the video is cool. Let me show you the Patreon we have, in case you guys want to buy anything from us. Yeah, without yapping a lot, I hope this video is very short and you learned something. If you found any issues, you know where to find us. Discord.gg/MRV. That was MRV Crollo, and have a good day.